If you're looking to streamline your product packaging with a tool that makes the process easy and efficient, let's dive into how to use Unicode for product packaging. But before we get into it, stick around to the end, because I'll reveal an exclusive deal and tell you about some powerful alternatives that might be a better fit for your packaging needs. Unicode promises to make your packaging process smoother with its unique design and automation features. First, let's take a look at how you can use Unicode's interface. It's user-friendly, designed for people who need to get up and running quickly. You can easily create professional packaging designs, customize them to match your brand, and choose from a variety of templates that will save you time. The next thing to note is Unicode's integration options. Whether you're using e-commerce platforms like Shopify or a custom-built system, it integrates smoothly with your existing workflow. This makes it easy to automate packaging updates as your product catalog changes, which can save a lot of time down the line. Then there's the ability to preview your packaging before printing. Unicode offers mock-up tools that let you see exactly how your design will look, which helps eliminate any costly mistakes. No more worrying about misaligned designs or wrong dimensions. Everything is visualized before production. The fourth thing that sets Unicode apart is its printing options. You can print directly from the software, which reduces the steps needed to get from design to delivery. The software also lets you track orders and shipments, so you know when your packaging will arrive and stay on top of inventory. However, while Unicode excels in simplicity and integration, there are a few areas where it could improve. The design templates, though diverse, may not always provide the level of customization some advanced users need. Also, if you're looking for a solution that can handle extremely large product lines, you might find Unicode's system a little limiting. Now, let's talk about a competitor to Unicode, Packlane. While Unicode has a strong focus on ease of use, Packlane offers more in-depth customization for packaging design. If you have very specific packaging needs, like unique box types or special finishes, Packlane provides a higher degree of flexibility. But it's worth noting that it can be a bit overwhelming for newcomers and doesn't integrate as smoothly with certain platforms as Unicode does. Next up, if you're after something that really prioritizes automation in your workflow, you might want to check out Printful. Printful excels when it comes to automating everything from printing to fulfillment. If your main goal is to quickly scale your packaging needs as your product line grows, Printful's integration with fulfillment systems might make it the better option. So, which one is the best for you? Unicode is perfect if you're looking for a quick and easy solution for packaging without too much complexity. But if you need deeper customization or a system that can scale quickly as your business grows, Packlane or Printful might be better suited. At the end of the day, I've got an exclusive deal just for you. Through the link below, you'll get access to an extended free trial of Unicode, along with some special perks that aren't available anywhere else. Plus, I've added those amazing alternatives, Packlane and Printful, each offering a free trial as well, and you can explore them to see which one fits your needs best. Check out the link in the description to grab your extended free trial and get started today.